This is the first time I'm gonna talk in the video, man. The car is smooth. I'm not even gonna lie about that. The car is smooth as the hell. And feels really great. Woo! Alright, let me stop. Weird, but Jesus, people just watching from all over. They passing by, they looking. Oh man. That's the tires. That's the tires again. But yeah, you get the point. And I'm not even full throttle. Probably just a little bit over 1/4. To be honest, the same car that I built, this one, it scares me. It's like I got butterflies in my stomach. It's kind of, it's like a feeling like, hey, if you slip up, I'm gonna slap you in the face. That's the kind of feeling that I'm getting. It's not, oh, see, I almost started. Yeah, that's the type of feeling that I'm getting. Yeah, it's easy to stop. I got the spec ST version of the clutch inside here. It's next to the most hardest one that they make for the R154. So it's kind of tricky sometimes to how they call it, modulate. But yeah, but it's very streetable though. It's just the second to the last from the top of the line. They were saying it's more for track use, but I use it. I mean, I don't have no problem with it. You just gotta pay attention to your driving, and you won't have any issues. But that's about it. We're gonna go about 1 more minute of this video. But thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and there's a lot more to come. I got a video for y'all tomorrow to show the progress on the car that I was building. It's about 85% finished right now, but I'll give y'all an update on that tomorrow. So just enjoy this last part of the video, and then I'll talk to y'all later.